Part 2 for the most bogus mutation. Grandmaster, how can we go there? Oh, me joining? Yeah, I know. Hey, can you be faster? More faster. A little bit more. A little bit more, I said. Can you? Oh. Yes. Quick. Oh, please. Jeez. Okay, it's good so far. Oh yay, I'm back now. Recall wrench, let me recall the wrench. Sammy the Oh yay. I can now buy the Grandmaster Sprinkler. Master Sprinkler is on stock. This is really cool though. Don't worry, we're ready. P? Oh, I know what's that. Linda, what's going on? That's because we're doing longer than them. Oh, okay. Okay, dude. Let me admit. Grow a garden is better than still bringing up. Yes, I'm not kidding. What team are you? Still bringing up or grow a garden? Please tell me in the comments below. Let's go. Burning bud is crazy. For sure that's not mine, right? What is going on? This is my friend though. Person. What are you doing though? Bro, I bought Ramones seed. Oh. Multiple. Okay, now we're here. Space travel. This is crazy though. Wee! Fly me to the moon. Let me flame. Okay, not to your garden. This is I remember when Siri sang that song. It's way too funny. Way funnier than I thought. What are you doing, Green Bean? Miss Green Bean, please give me some admin abuse. Oh. Bro, I'm on green team by the way. Hello. Greening beaning. Ouch. No. Bro, I wanted to climb into you though. Huh. Bro, it's 10 p.m. if you're not mistaken. Hey, what are you doing? Please don't tell me you are lasering our plants. Look, what are you laughing? Guys, all I'm gonna say is no. All I'm gonna say is no. Are you waiting for the seed stock? After still seeing us still a game, Ben is going to aura palm them so hard. Oh, okay, this is my garden. Which slot is better though? I don't know. I didn't really know. Oh, it's the slot one. If I'm not really mistaken. Hey, can you move? Can you move, man? This is really weird. I'm gonna just pause it. Then, if Jandel messages again, I will call you. Show Diane more stocks or more orders. I can pick one. So you guys on the comment section can pick. Yes. Bro, why is Jandel always misspelling? Are you serious? They just woke up, but I am going to sleep, yeah. Bro, this is crazy. Of the burning bud. Okay, both. Yes. I beg you both. Both's gonna be fun. I will choose both, though. Oh, it's Cisco. Thank you. Sugar apple. Burning bud. Oh yeah. Thank you. If I'm not mistaken, he's gonna stock Giant Pine Cone, then Elder Strawberry. The music is not working. So fun. I'm just dancing to nothing. Oh. It's gonna copyright me, by the way. Oh yeah. Then this. Don't tell me it's the losing pet child. Anyways. More? Tell your friends, okay? Sure. I'm not invite my friends. Teasing right now, okay? I might miss them. Oh, quick! Oh, no. Wait, all of them are in Grow a Garden. Are you serious? Bro, I don't have any more connections to invite. Because all of them is in Grow a Garden. Even Alkane is there. Look at this. It's Alkane. Bro, can you be so quick? What's in stock? Oh, never mind. Let me see Alkane though. It's his Roblox profile. Where's my plants though? Anyways. River plant. Do you want bean or again? Okay. Okay. I know he cannot hear me though. Wait. Romanesca seed is you are gonna be so crazily happy if Romanesca seed is in stock, right? Although, let me go to the gear shop once again. You just know we have not a main event yet. We might, we might make a part 3 of this video, but I think people are able to get into game now, which is great. True. I agreed with him though, which is great. Is crazy. Oh, there's not anyone in this one. Green bean is still a brain rot. Sub is still a brain rot, right? I also hate brain rot though. Don't rot my brain, Karen. Okay, anyways, you're gifting me carrot. Quick, give me though. Can you give me that? Please. You will have an achievement done, by the way. Corporates. Like lava, lollipop. Uncommon egg, okay. Divine. Bug egg, if I'm not mistaken. Lollipop. Mutation. Okay. Hobby to complete. OMG. Bro is draining it. There's no way. How can I even climb this? Quick change slot though. Oh no. We are so cooked. Quick switch slot. OMG. I must switch mine. Wait. It's mine, I guess. Wait. Let me change it so quick. Quick. Yes, I cannot react fast. Oh. This is not good. Yes. Red light, green light. Yep. Oh, what's going on? The burning buds are covering me. This is really bad. Wanna try her? Red light, green light. Okay, you're playing Squid Games now. This is not Grow a Garden. I'm gonna stock Master's Control. Sure, thing dude. Sure thing, I swear. Red light, green light event to buy it. But I can just... Hey. This is gonna be way too easy though. Guys, I'm gonna cheat this event. I don't know if this will work. Cosmetic jump pad. I won't do it though. Just look. Oh, look at that. It's there. It's still there though. I'll be time 9. Quick, bro. What time is it? Oh, 10:22. Bye-bye, Obi. What's that? Okay? Quick. Don't tell me I'm gonna be teleported. We can just use the recall wrench. Okay, quick, Grindel. Join issues again? Not again. Hehehehe. Even if you teleport me, easy win. Easy win. Easy peasy win. Oh. Muahahaha. Okay, and the next stock is the Master Sprinkler. Okay, quick. 3, 2, 1. What do you mean? Huh? It's time to play a game. Oh. I cheated though. Wait, another one. Can you teleport a Recall Wrench? No, we cannot use that. Okay, by the way, I bought them. Wahaha. Grindel, I know myself. I'm cheating though. Even if you stuck, I'll level up Lollipop. I keep dying. What? Oh yeah. I'ma complete the challenge. Wait, the blood owl is the doll, which is really strange. Oh my me. There's just no way he caught me. Okay, Light Cycle is crazy. Green light. Red light. No, why? I'm being serious now. This is gonna be really bad if I move. Yes. Yes, I gotta move. I'm almost making it though. Yes. Right. 10 minutes. What do you mean? By the way, I'ma end the vlog. Bye. See you part 2.